Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the DC dimming feature which is present in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so this is a Realme X7 smartphone, and a few of the users they did ask me about this DC dimming option. Is it present in this phone or not? So let's see, friends, in this video what are the things about the DC dimming, what are the options you are getting, and way to find and how to enable as well. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, for more details about the Realme X7 Pro. You can find so many playlist videos which I uploaded on the Realme X7, close to 200 videos I did on the Realme X7 Pro smartphone, friends. So make sure to check the playlist before buying. I would highly suggest you to go to the playlist and check the battery and the camera and all the things which I compared with other smartphones as well. So don't forget to check the playlist, friends. And first thing is that you need to go to the settings, and once you go to the settings, before that, let me even show you the exact variant, Realme X7 Pro and the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So to find the DC dimming feature, you need to go to the Realme Lab. As you can see, this is a Realme Lab. Just tap on the Realme Lab, and as soon as you tap the Realme Lab, you will get this option called DC dimming. As you can see, so this will prevent a lot of screen display issues. So when you're using the low brightness, or sometimes the screen will start flickering, so maybe in that case you can use this kind of DC dimming feature enable. So this makes a very good that it will affect definitely the DC dimming, and low flickering issues also will be solved if you try to use this kind of option, as you can see, friends. So try to enable this option, and this will be preventing all the screen flickering issues and low brightness, color changing issues, and a lot of those things if you're facing with the display. So anything related to the display, always try to use a DC dimming and try. So sometimes low flickering issues and color brightness issues means when you're trying to watch from the different side angle, the screen will try to change its color from white to kind of yellowish or green color sometimes. So this happens in a couple of Realme phones as well back, and I did try to use this kind of DC dimming feature. After that, the problem has been solved. So first is a Realme X2 Pro, which I am using for the past 1.5 years, and same thing has happened before, and but after the update, and I did get this kind of DC dimming feature, which helped a lot in terms of decreasing the lot of screen flickering issues in the mobile phone. So definitely, friends, in case if you are planning to buy this phone, you will absolutely have this kind of option as well, DC dimming. And for more this kind of interesting tips and tricks and hidden features about the Realme X7 Pro, make sure to subscribe, and also do check the links in description, friends, for more details about the Realme X7 Pro smartphone, where I compare with a lot of other premium end smartphones as well. So don't forget to like and also subscribe, and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos in the future. So that's it for this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.